Well, hello again to all my friends. I am back. Yeah, this is just a quick makeup look I did to, well, I was doing it for Valentine's Day, but the same day I recorded it, I did my first Fashion Nova haul, which was a fail, so I deleted it. Well, I watched it off. So I'm just posting it right now because it includes the Naked Heat palette, which is one of our giveaway items. So I wanted to show you all, how it is. It's not really a tutorial or anything. It's just me showing you all, the pigmentation and a type of look that you can do with that palette. Since I am giving away, just basically giving a sample of it. Right now, I am filling in my brows with a beauty supply store pencil in dark brown, and then I go on top of it with the Anastasia dip brow to deepen it a little bit. I will do a eyebrow tutorial later. I did one before. I didn't like it, so I deleted it. I am outlining it now with the LA Girl Pro Conceal in Beautiful Bronze. That is the one that I feel is most close to my skin tone. I don't like the halo effect, so I try to use something for the top and the bottom that's more closely to my skin tone. And I use the excess on my eyelids. I just wipe it on my eyelid and blend it out, which is what you see me doing with the brush, blending it out around it. So yeah, this video is sped up all the way through. Girl, get that together, honey. Yeah, sped up all the way through. And I need my eyebrows plugged, so that's why they look a little out, because those extra hairs at the top. I'm going to try it. And after I put the concealer on my eyelid, I just go on top of it with the Laura Mercier loose setting powder in neutral. These are the boxes for the, well, this is the box for the palette. And look at this palette. It is so beautiful. There are so many beautiful warm tone neutral colors in there to use, and it comes with a brush. I didn't try the brush out, but I will one day. I was going to go in with Ashes, but I changed my mind and I went in with Cayenne as my transition color, a transition shade. And I'm just blending that out. I'm going to do that on both eyes. Blend, blend, blend. And then I'm going to go in with Ashes to deepen it a little bit. I'm starting with the outer corner and going into the crease with the darker brown color. And of course, I'm going to do it on both sides, as you will see. I just want a mini smoky effect, not anything too intense, just a little bit, just a little 5 o'clock shadow effect on my eyes. And then I am taking, I think it's called On Fuego, I'm not sure what it's called. Just using it as a base for the other color that I'm going to put on top of it. So I just put that color all over my lid. I really don't know if it made a difference. I just felt like I should do it that way. And I'm going in with Scorched to go on top of it. I'm spraying my brush with the, I think it's Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray. I didn't have any more Fix Plus, so I just used whatever I had. And so I sprayed the brush with that a little bit to apply it, because it is a shimmer color. So I like to wet the brush before applying any of the shimmer colors. I feel like it applies a lot easier and more pigmented if I do it that way. It is a very neat palette. The palette comes with a mirror at the top. Like I said before, it comes with the brush and it comes with a mirror and a bunch of warm tone. I have to count to see how many tones it is. But yeah, I'm going in with Lumbre in the inner corner of my eye, and then now I'm going to line my eye with a black eyeliner pen. I got this pen out my Ipsy bag. I'm just doing a really, really thin wing, nothing too intense. I love this pen. I was doing the eyeliner brush before until I was sent this pen, and this was my first time using it, and I have not stopped. I have used it ever since. And then I got another one in my Ipsy bag, my February bag. So I'm glad I don't have to buy another one. I am excited to try that one out too. I don't think I'll go back to the brushes anymore since I've had this one, because it's so easy to use. I put my lashes on off camera. Those are the Ardell Demi Wispies, and I am priming my face with the Too Faced Hangover RX primer. I think this has been my go-to primer lately. I am concealing with the same concealer I use on my brows, the LA Girl Pro Conceal in Beautiful Bronze. Then I'm going on top of it for a highlight effect with a lighter color, which is Toast. I think once these two colors are blended out together, it just gives a seamless look overall in the end. And I am just blending it out with a beauty blender. Now I can't remember if it's damp or not. Like I said, I normally damp with my beauty blender with water or Fix Plus, but I was out of Fix Plus and I didn't feel like going to get no water. So I don't know if I sprayed the all-nighter on it or not. But yeah, I'm just and I was scratching my nose. I'm just blending that all over, and now I'm going to I'm setting it with the Laura Mercier. I am setting it with the Laura Mercier loose setting powder under my eye, down my nose, forehead, lip, and chin. And then I'm contouring with this brown eyeshadow. Now I applied a little too much in the beginning, as you can see. Like I said, this is an eyeshadow. I don't have any concealer, dark concealer, so I use the eyeshadow. I don't like the cream concealer. I feel like the powder works best for me, which is why I've been using eyeshadow, but I'll blend that out later. I am doing the bottom of my lash line with the same color ashes I did at the top, and the not Fuego, Cayenne, and then I'm going in a corner with that lumbre color. So basically kind of the same thing, same shadows I used at the top. I didn't add anything to any of the brushes. I just used what was already on there. And then right now I think I'm going to take my I'm contouring my nose with that same brown eyeshadow that I used for my contour all over my face. And now I'm taking my MAC powder to blend everything out, to take away those harsh lines, because I was looking real crazy, real crazy. Go all over. All over. Look at that. And now I'm taking this MAC blush as my so-called bronzer, because I don't have a bronzer either. I guess I need to invest in those two things. And then I am using the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara for my bottom lashes. They so teeny tiny, and this mascara gets them all every time. When I use the other mascaras, I'm always stabbing myself getting the mascara under the lashes, but with this one it works every time. So I love it. Just fixing up the top lashes a little bit, and then now I am going to use the Kylie Cosmetics Rosy matte lip. The other one was Posy Cabaret, but it was a lip gloss, and I didn't want to use a gloss. I wanted to use something matte. I lined my lips with the same eye liner pencil that I used on my eyes, just to let the lipstick blend in with my skin a little better. Now I am using the Fenty Beauty Kilowatt highlighter in Moscow Mule and Ginger Beans. Is my favorite one. She has another one that she came out with. I think I want to try that. I did brush off a little bit of my eyebrows. I'm fixing those back, but I want to try the new one that she has out. We are giving away one of her highlighters, I think, and lip balms. I think the highlighter is the gold one. I don't know. I don't really like the gold color, but I think the highlighter is the gold one. We're giving that away. I'm just going back over my lipstick. Just going back over the lipstick with the pencil again. And now I am setting my face with the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. And yeah, so that is the final look. It was really quick and easy. The palette, I love the palette. It's so pigmented, and you can do any kind of look with it. You can match it up with other palettes. The colors are amazing. They complement my skin tone very well. So yes, we're going to be giving that palette away. So thank you all for watching.